Welcome back to my channel, guys. Thank you very much for being here one more time in my kitchen. On today's recipe, I'm gonna be showing you how to make poached eggs, something very easy and cheap to make. It might look a little difficult, but I guarantee you, if you follow the step-by-step recipe that I'm gonna be showing you today, it will be amazing. So the first thing you are wanting to do is you want to get 3 large eggs. You're gonna put it in small containers. You're also gonna put water on a pan. You're gonna put a little bit of a tablespoon of apple cider vinegar, and you're gonna let that boil. Once the water is boiled, now you know you're ready to put the eggs on. But before you do that, you are gonna turn the heat off, and you are going to let the water let it be set. You don't want to have any type of bubbles in the water before you put the eggs, just like it looks like. Right here, we're gonna add the first egg, and you are gonna keep in mind that you're gonna set up a timer, and that egg needs to be cooked for 3 minutes, no more than 3 minutes. Now we are gonna add the second egg. Make sure that you remember which one you put first, so that way they won't be overcooked. Once the 3 minutes have already arrived, you are gonna get out the first egg, and let's see what kind of consistency we have 3 minutes after. Amazing, perfect consistency, what we were looking for. First egg is on point. Let's see how the second egg looks like. Incredible. Right here, you can put a little bit of seasoning, a little bit of salt, or a little garlic if you like to. And here we are going to see how the results that we are looking for. Let's cut into the egg. Incredible, amazing. Look at that yolk coming out of the egg so beautifully. That's a well done step by step. Let's see the second egg. You can eat that one. You can toast a piece of bread, put it on top of it, and let's cut into it. Look at that, beautifully done. Guys, if you like this video, give it a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, leave your comment down below, hit the bell for notification, and don't forget, if you're new to this channel, to subscribe. Don't also forget to share this video on any platform you like. Thank you very much for being here, and I will see you next time with another recipe, another video here on my kitchen. Rafs Kitchen. Bye bye.